All right, guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And we're working on the Viper. We're finally going to get it painted, so we got to put it together a little bit and sand it down and get in the paint booth.
Yeah, just got to keep moving forward and hopefully get it done on the road soon. So we got like what, 5 days left or something like that before the SEMA build in there? So
we got a couple days left, but we should get it knocked out, no problem. So let's get to work.
All right, I got to get the clear bra off the side of the car. Basically, we're going to paint the whole car, so getting it prepped. That stuff's pretty tough, not gonna lie. It's been on there for a little bit, but we'll get it off, no problem. Nothing we haven't done before. And then we gotta basically scuff it this side. All right, let's do it. I got the bumpers in the paint booth again. What was that, like a third time right now? Yeah, these bumpers are no joke. Honestly, now we need to seal it so the yellow paint will match the rest of the car. Since the car is yellow, if this is primered and that was base is yellow, then it'll be a shade off, and we don't want that. So we gotta get this thing as close as possible. A lot of work. It's most part of the day yesterday just sanding them. But gotta do what you gotta do. Make it right. Just keep going. I gotta take these grills out. Basically anything extra, plastic trim pieces you gotta remove before paint. Get the mirrors ready. All taped off. Still got work to do, but it's coming along. I don't know, what do you guys think about the no red pinstripe? Looks pretty clean too. Got that flat look right now. Matte yellow. Thing looks good. Let's do it.
All right guys, here we have it, final product, almost. But it's all taped up and it's ready to get sprayed. It took a long time. Hopefully it's gonna be painted faster. It should be. So pretty much we're gonna paint the yellow first, then we're gonna tape it up, paint the black, untape it, clear it, and we're done.
Yeah,
So,
sounds pretty simple, but it's a process, that's for sure.
so we're gonna wax and grease it, blow it off, tack cloth it, and start putting some yellow.
Well, there it is. Fresh coat of yellow, black, clear coat. Looks fantastic. Very clean. Super nice. Came out fantastic. A lot of work, but it's worth it for the Viper. Nice. Good job, Ivan. Definitely can paint. Dang. It's gonna look great on the road. So the build moves on. Let's keep going. All right, so I waited about a day before we start handling it again. We really want that clear coat and paint to dry before I start putting the mirrors on, all the little plastic trim pieces. We'll get that rear bumper on and just start finishing it up. I gotta get all the little shutters in, the hood. Let's do it, all right. All right, trying to get that mirror on. Just like that, it's off, and there it is. Easy. All right, guys, so got the mirrors on, the interior panels on and everything. There's a lot of work, getting all the little things back together. It's always like that, but if you want a good quality paint job, you gotta take it apart, get it painted, put it all back together. But unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. So let's go inside and find a giveaway winner. Made some more little custom signs for y'all. Hope you like it. It's this way, the different styles. But yeah, sounds good. Car's looking amazing. Can't wait to get on the road. I mean, just look at this thing. It's a beast for sure. Oh yeah, sounds good. Let's go inside and find our winners. All right, guys, we're back inside. Here to find our winners for the giveaway. Got some larger signs, some little Viper logos. Hope you guys like it. Got a lot of progress down with it. I'm happy how it turned out. I mean, it looks great. I really like the two-tone on it. It looks very clean. All right, let's find our first winner. 3, 2, 1. Jerio Sapin. Man, I'm so bad at pronouncing. My bad, bro. But hey, you won. Congrats. Comment Viper. That's exactly what you did. Go ahead and email us your address. We'll get that over to you. Winner number 2. Silent Assassin. Ha, gotcha. All right, you won as well. Congrats, bro. Let's go ahead and see our most picked comment. I'd rather be roasting. Viper looking good. I appreciate it, bro. I really think it looks good too. It's gonna look great on the road. Here we go. It's time to find our final winner. Let's do it. Holding far off. Viper, no viping. Good one. Alright guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for staying tuned. Go ahead and comment Viper below on this video, because we're always doing giveaways, we're always trying to get you stuff, so it's not a problem. And stay tuned, because we do have some more builds coming up. I mean, once we get this Viper, we're just trying to put our attention on it, trying to get this thing wrapped up before we announce what we got next. But stay tuned until next time.